Hi guys, USB hub is one of the important accessories of the computer and laptop. Today I am going to unbox and review such type of USB hub which is coming from the company Quantum, which is really portable, effective and of course within reasonable price. So let's get started with this USB hub. This is the box pack of the popular USB hub which is coming from the company. It is written here Quantum and below it is written Quantum High Tech in a small letter, and the model number it is written here qhm6642 USB hub, and the speed is written here 480 Mbps USB 2.0 compatible. Back of the box pack it is written here USB 4 ports, plug and play, light and compact, 0.65 meter cable. I will show you measuring all these things. And the website of the company is also written here, that is www.quantumhightech.com. So this is, you can see, very small, ultra portable, and I will show you measuring this one, the size of this USB hub. It is available in two colors, black and white. The build quality of the product is really good, compact size, and you can see this really looks premium, and the Quantum branding is also written on the USB hub. The length of the USB hub I have measured with this scale, and it's actually 6.3 centimeter almost, and the length of the attached cable will be, let's see what will be, 53 centimeter. So almost it is a half of a meter. Now I have connected this USB hub with this computer, and through this hub I will connect several pen drive, hard drive and one smartphone through the data cable and one dongle, and this dongle will connect these two wireless mouse and keyboard. You can see here this white dongle will connect this mouse and this keyboard wirelessly, and next one, that is the pen drive of HP 8 GB, and when we insert this one, readily you will hear one connection tone, and here you can see HP pen drive has been connected. The cost of the popular product is only 217 rupees. Now the next one, that is SanDisk 32 GB pen drive. So when we insert this one, again you hear one connection tone. Now it is showing also in the screen HP pen drive has been connected. Now we will connect this Infinix phone through the USB hub. So you can see connected and showing on the desktop. This is Infinix Note 10. Okay, so all these USB devices has been connected successfully with this computer. Now I am just typing one thing through this wireless keyboard, and it is seamlessly and effortlessly it is typing, So that means, the hub is working fine. Now I will show you connecting this hard drive, Seagate 1 TB hard drive, with this computer via USB hub. You can connect maximum 4 devices with this USB hub. Now I am showing this. It will be shown on the desktop also. You can see here Seagate Backup Plus drive is showing on the desktop. So it has been also connected successfully. Check, you can see mouse is also working. This mouse, this is the wireless mouse, white color. It is also working through this USB hub. Overall, the hub is working fine, compact and portable in this price range. But I have seen it lacks the USB 3.0 compatibility and observed a significant lag when I have connected 1 TB hard drive. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share my video.